What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig that I got from CYNOSURE hair. All the information, of course, will be in the description box below. Really quickly, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this hair. It's my first time opening it, but this is a 26-inch deep curly glueless wig. It is, I believe, an 8x5 closure, and it has 4C curly edges, as you can see right here. And like I said, you can wear this wig completely gluelessly. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and then this is just the construction of the wig. As you can see, it's on a dome cap, and it has the ear cutouts for you for a comfortable fit. And yeah, this is just the curl pattern, and this is everything that came in the bag. They gave you some really good goodies to help you take care of your hair. You got this wig band, so if you want to see me install the wig, keep watching. Y'all, so it is 2025 and I have not got no better at keeping up with my hair underneath these wigs. I'm so sorry. I really need to apologize to my hair, but anyways, I'm gonna take some of my edge control. What do I use? Edge booster. Some of my edge booster, edge control, and apply it all to my hairline because I don't know how to braid, and it makes my hairline bunch up in the front like that. So I'm just slicking it back, and then after that, I'm gonna slide on my wig cap here that came with the wig. Just really, I put on wig caps just to cover up my hair underneath so I can feel like it's more of a clean finish, but wig caps is not really necessary for this. And then I'm just going to take my cream makeup that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to color the wig cap. Alright, so the wig itself is really simple to put on. Once you get the band the right way, you're just going to slip it onto the back of your head like this. I didn't have to adjust anything because it was already tight. And then I'm just going to take that back comb, tuck that into the back, and then just pull this wig forward. And the wig is already super tight, as you can tell. So this is this is what allows you to wear it gluelessly. So I'm just making sure everything fits comfortably, like around my ears, and I'm adjusting it. But like I said, like the fit around your head is pretty snug, so it lays flat enough so that you don't have to wear any glue. And this is what it's giving right out of the box. Honestly, I liked the curl pattern as it was right out of the box. This is what it looks like from the back. Really, I didn't think it needed too much, but I am going to touch it up a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do here is pull down these edges and the baby hairs, because this is the star of the show. These 4C edges. I know everybody is tired of like the slick down edges and like crazy edges on wigs, or you want something that looks more natural. Then this would definitely be the wig for you. It comes pre-curled. You don't have to do anything to it. Pre-cut. Only thing you have to do, it really is just like brush it forward and just move it around to how you like. And I think these are so freaking adorable, honestly, truly. So now for the hair itself, I'm just taking some water in a spray bottle, and I'm just drenching the hair per usual. And I'm gonna go in with some mousse. And I also used some curling cream, but I did that off camera. And I'm just going to define the curls. After you get it really drenched, I just take my little brush through the curls or whatever, just to make them pop. Alright, and lastly, I'm just taking my hot comb and just defining like the parting space, which I don't even know why I say that, because the part is already defined. I didn't have to do anything to it, but I am taking my hot comb to kind of like push back the hairline a little bit, just so you can see and notice the edges a little bit more, and just to make the top part look more cleaner, I guess. I don't know why I do this. Yeah, just to clean it up and make it look cute. It's not necessary, you don't have to, it's just a personal choice. But after that is it. And look at these baby hairs. It is super cute. The hair is super cute. and I really didn't have to do too much to it. This really is like a 10-minute install, really not even 10 minutes, like a 5-minute install. So this is the back here. It is super full. It has a lot of body, and I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. And when I say this wig is glueless, I mean it shape shifts just like this. I can lift it up, put it back on, whatever, keep it moving. You wouldn't even know this was a glueless wig. Like, it's giving what I need it to give. So I also decided that I wanted to see what this hair looked like a little bit more defined. What you saw earlier was kind of like a more of a fluffier look, and here I kind of wanted more of like the wet look, the defined curl look, just because I was curious, and also I thought it would be really cute with the baby hairs that it had. So I just put more of the curling cream. I used the Cream of Nature curling cream, I think is what it's called, and I put it on this hair, brush it through, and then I'm using my blow dryer here to diffuse it, which is basically just drying the curls. And this is what it looks like with a super defined look. I think this is cute too. I just wanted to get a little bit of versatility in the wig, so you can wear it either way. And then I just took some scissors and cut just a little bit of like layers around my face to frame my face, which after I did it I kind of regretted it. I wish I left it kind of long. I was like, dang, I should have did that, but I mean it was still cute either way. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Just wanted to show you the versatility. But anyways, this video is done. Let me know in the comment section below, which look do you prefer? Do you prefer this fluffy look like this, or do you prefer more of like the defined curls look like this right here? I don't know. I think I personally prefer how it looks fluffy. I think the fluffy look looks better with the fluffy baby hairs. I don't know. I think they go better together, but I don't know. To each his own. But like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.